All right, well, today is Sunday, October 28th, 2018. And today, this is what the skies look like in Southern California, Los Angeles, San Gabriel Valley, San Fernando Valley. We've got a large moisture field moving in from the south off of the ocean. There's a large low pressure system, a tropical moisture system, a weather system trying to spin counterclockwise down south off of Baja California. And all that moisture is being forced up into our area because there is a right angle, a small right angle, over that developing weather system. And what's happening is that the high pressure that's being forced into that low is winding the moisture in a clockwise manner up into California, Southern California. So today, I was busy yesterday watching the World Series and doing some other things that I had to take care of. But we could have forecasted this one easily. This is a very large moisture field moving in. And of course, all these clouds, these are fake clouds. There's not a real cloud in the sky here. These are all fake clouds. These are chemtrails. And they're being sprayed to trap the heat in the atmosphere, and that will evaporate the moisture in the atmosphere. These tropical clouds that are moving in have been sprayed over, and we can see all the fake clouds out here in the valley areas. This is as far as we can see, horizon to horizon. They're spraying these chemtrails. So it's interesting because in Northern California, there is a little bit of rain as that frontal system, there's a gale force system swinging down. The frontal system is swinging down into California. And the only place we're having any rain showing up on the Doppler map right now is Northern California. We should be having rain all over California, mainly right here in Southern California. If you look at the Doppler map right now, it's about 1:25 p.m. Sunday afternoon. After you see this video, go on to the search out the Intellicast Doppler radar map and look at the Southern California area, and then after that pull up the GOES, that's G-O-E-S, West water vapor map and the IR map. The GOES Northeast Pacific water vapor and IR maps, and you'll see all the moisture moving in, and that is being sprayed over. We can see out here, just look at the extent of the fake clouds being sprayed. These are fake clouds. They're not water vapor. And of course, they trap the heat and cap the atmosphere. This is what's causing the warming that is being falsely reported as global warming. It's being done purposely to regulate water, fresh water. And by the way, on October the 19th, probably the biggest news that went unreported in the mainstream fake news media is the fact that here we have a plane spraying right there. He just left a dashed line. Here's another plane right there, straight ahead. It's flying to the north. So we've got a dashed line chemtrail going in right there. Hope you can see that. And then just to the left, this jet flying along towards that chemtrail. I hope you can see that on a big monitor. All right, so anyway, October 19th, President Trump signed a memorandum, a directive, lifting all the restrictions that have prevented water from flowing into the central valleys and into the farmland. We've got some very valuable farmland that has been producing a lot of the nation's food for years. Water was prevented from flowing into that area for many, many years. And so Trump has now found out about this thanks to Devin Nunes and I think it was Mike McCarthy and a few other people in the Congress. And so, effective immediately, water will be flowing into the Central Valley. And so these water projects that have been put on hold by the EPA and a lot of corrupt people that are probably tied to this fresh water rationing scam and this drought will now be pushed out of the way, and we'll have water flowing into the Central Valley once again, the way it had for decades. All right, so you can look up that video. I put it on my favorites list, on the playlist rather. Make sure you watch that and pass it on to others. the channel. I appreciate the guy that put that up. I forget the screen name. It might have been Liberty or something along that line, Liberty or Death. Put that up and put that link up. A very valuable link. I didn't know about this because the fake news, mainstream media doesn't put these important items in the news. So this is going to make it difficult for the people that are rationing water and running this scam. The control of our water, control of prices of water, the control of food products, the price of food products growing. It's all about supply and demand, and if you can control the supply, then of course the price goes up relative to the demand. And so that is big news. October 19th, Trump signs that memorandum. All right, excellent news, and we'll just leave it right here. We'll do another update later on today, hopefully. That's it.